Hey everyone, Sleepy again. I'm back with what's becoming a tradition, a follow-up video to the annual How to Hang Christmas Lights on Stucco series. So we're in the 5th year of this. Can you believe that already? So last week I did a roundup where we did 12 different types of tape. Actually, I think they were all 3M, if I recall properly. But I added a wild card, which I also included, or let me get it for you, where I also included Adhesion Promoter, which the data spoke for itself that nifty product for our application, not necessary. But I'd like to draw down and have a rematch between last year's champion, the VHB 4991, and this year's champion, this Scotch Multipurpose Gel Tape, strong removal and water resistant. This, I'm not gonna lie, surprised the heck out of me. So, let's get to it. Okay, as you see, I am an excellent hand model. Oh, sorry, wrong video. Okay, so this side has no adhesion promoter, and this side has the adhesion promoter. I figured I'd give it a try again just to see if it surprises us. Okay, so I learned from last year to not put them directly underneath each other, but on this side, we have the 3M multi-purpose gel tape, and on this side, we have our 4991. So we're gonna do the exact same thing we did in the previous video, which is you pull out the force guide, a meter, whatever you wanna call it. As in all plans, I forgot to bring a pad, so traditionally I'll use a piece of plywood and a pencil. So there's our force meter, zeroed out on peak. So this is the 3M gel tape, and let's give it a whirl. And you can't even see that. There we go. Hmm. 23.3. Okay, now it's time for the 4991. 19.5. Okay, now it's time for the ones with the adhesion promoter. Okay, the gel tape. That hurt. 31.9 pounds. That was impressive. Okay, last up, the 4991. 23.1. And 2 fried knuckles. Okay, as you can see, for the first attempt, the gel tape pulled off completely. No problems, no issues, no damage, completely clean. The 4991 did stay on, but as always, it comes off with absolutely no problem, no damage. The gel tape down here that had the adhesion promoter on it, a little harder to get off, but in the realm of things, that was nothing. And once again, the 4991. Once again, no damage whatsoever, 0 residue left over. They pulled off cleanly, and obviously my knuckles are a little damaged, but that's that's user error. Yes, I'm sweating, it's raining here, it's humid, it's Florida before it gets cold out. It's miserable. But anyway, I'm torn between two. Both are tremendous. It comes down to price point. And obviously I'll have the affiliate links below. You can check it out. Honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with either. The only major difference between the two is how it comes. So this is a much, I think it's at least a 1-inch roll. So you have to basically put the clip on and cut it, put the clip on and cut it, put the clip on and cut it, you know, pretty straightforward. This is much thinner. I think it's 5/8. So, or 3/8. I don't remember. But anyway, so you have to put the clip in a different orientation, cut it, put a different clip in, cut it, etc., etc. So in the realm, it's pretty much the same thing. But if you are doing a long application and you just want to put this on the wall and then put the clips on, that's one thing to consider. But anyway, you can't go wrong with both either. And I will say about the gel tape, I'm pretty sure you can pick this up in Walmart or Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. The VHB, not so much, Amazon find. But either way, they're about the same price point. And I'm not going to lie, this clear tape really does do good, especially the rougher the wall, because this is pretty thick stuff. But I can say the same thing for the $49.91. So I will leave it to your judgment if the adhesion promoter is worth it. So what did we get? 20%. We got about a 20% increase. That's only for you to judge. Remember, we're only looking for 10 pounds minimum, and we've doubled that. We're good to go here. So until next time, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you'd like me to try next year, because honestly, I'm running out of ideas. I can only do this for so long. But anyway, stay sleepy, my friends.